Hello, buddies. I'm in Derek HBet Productions. Here's the Lennox Elite. It's a Lennox. It's a Beaver. It's a 1-4 horsepower. It says 1.4 amps. It's 1100 RPM. It comes with the Lennox logo on the top. There's the rotation wires. There's the wire shield. And there's 4 fan blades. He has a Copeland scroll. Right over there, it's a reset button. New motor. And a disconnect box. And surge protection. Yep, it has the on precision. It has the lines over there. There's a screw on the top. I replaced it for 2 years ago. The old disconnect box. Oh, there's a latch on it. There's the holder, the wire cover, and there's the line sets. R4 today. There's the ice. And this is the heat. Yep. This is estimate of the 2005 Lennox and around 2006 Lennox. Look at that. It has a Copeland scroll compressor. Right down here, it's a Copeland scroll. Yep, it's a Lennox Elite air conditioner. Yep. There's the, there's the 4 blades. There you have it, guys. Yeah. There's a pad, old pad, green air conditioner, and there's a new disconnect box for 2 years ago, and there's a gas meter. Yep. Yepers. There you have it, guys. Old Lennox, there you have it. Thank you for watching. Hope you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and peace out.